with breakfast, man. Can you believe this? Can you believe what he's saying? Right? He thinks I'm going to charge him for breakfast. You know that's our policy at DKU Performance. We don't do that. We don't do that. Do we? Yes? No, we don't do that. Not as if everybody's invited, but if you're here, you get fed. Come on. Right, guys, let's have a look at Luke's car. Right, so we have, okay, we've had a big because there's so many vags here, everybody said, how come, Madge, you don't have an S3 AP? Is it AP? Yeah, done it again. I think it's Monday mornings, bro.
On the Ranger video, what do you call it?
That's a Monday morning, wasn't it? I call it a Maverick.
Maverick, an Amarok.
Yeah.
And that one.
But anyway, guys, make sure you watch the Ranger video, it's cool anyway. Right, 8V, 2-litre TFSI. I should know this platform, IS38. So you're getting better at that, Chris. Right, the reason we're giving you footage of this, even though we've had thousands of them throughout the door, it's because we need to give you the content on it, exactly what we're doing with them. So anyway, this really nice one, it belongs to a gentleman, obviously a customer who's inside, can't mention no names. There's a lot of disclosures that we're applying right now, but nevertheless, he's already bought an exhaust system for the car. Unfortunately, it didn't fit correctly. The tips were about 50 foot out. He was very disappointed. He's giving that back, he contacted us, and we are designing him a 3-inch exhaust system. He's only going stage 2, so he's not going to go too much drama. He's already bought a downpipe for it, so from I think it's a Cobra downpipe, and unfortunately the rest of the exhaust system doesn't fit correctly for the aftermarket one, whereas the OE one fits. So not to say that the Cobra is doing anything wrong. Cobra, you know, guys, that's fine. Anyway, moving on. So guys, we're starting off from our flanges as per usual. We're going to apply a resonator right there, generally where the anti-drone boxes are. So you know, the ones that come oval, but we're putting a res there, 5-inch, probably about 8 or 10 inches long. And then we're going to have 2 divisions here and there with 2 more boxes round ones. He's going for a very sort of entry-level 3-inch exhaust system, even though it's a premium, a very high standard, but 3 boxes will be sufficient for him the way he wants things. He liked the sound of the previous one, but he just wants an extra res put in. Not something that I'd probably suggest if you want less drone, because with us, as you know, our TT and also the rest of our setup, and if you look in the background, that's the 3.5-inch for the Scirocco, and you can look how many boxes I've applied there, because I hate sound, only when it needs to be. But anyway, what we would have done is put a box there for anti-drone purposes, and also a box there, and 2 boxes there, and even use the valve control system. So when our TT video's out, you'll see the design on that. There's no drone in it at all. Absolutely amazing to drive. And if you look on this side, obviously you've got the same platform, same setup on the Golf R, but this is 3-inch. But he wanted it super loud. These boxes here are actually dummy boxes, guys. 3.5-inch. Getting it wrong. So 3-inch rear section, 3.5-inch mid section. But anyway, he's only got 1 box, just 1 box, and then 2 boxes in the back are just there to look good, and the way we design Y pieces, so they look smart, sound great. But we do that version also in valve control now. So there you are, guys. So far, you've heard it from the start. You'll hear it in when it's done. No more moaning and no more keyboard warriors, please. To say, Madge, how come you haven't got 8V on your platform? So this one will be going up, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. Let's get back to that. I hope you guys are watching the Scirocco updates, because I'm absolutely sick of it now. DKU Performance. Guys, watch, share, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you the next time. Guys, honestly, I have to say, he's good. You know, complete one of them in a day, mandrel system. So let's go through the spec. Let's show you what's going on. After he finishes his hand job, sorry, he's not his hand. I said that wrong, didn't I? I don't mean to say hand. I'm getting things badly wrong nowadays. So guys, please ignore me. Have you finished?
One.
I don't know the depth. But anyway, should we go and talk about this exhaust? Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, guys. As per usual, I'm sure this is a Cobra downpipe. Right, Cobra downpipe. To my likings, you know, Cobra's Cobra, bit low. You know, if that was a DK, you'd be nice and high. You know, like up there. Why on earth, and he hasn't done it, the gentleman's gone and heat wrapped the middle but not the front. Who does that? No, he actually doesn't. Show his face. But cut that out, put a blur on it. Put a minion on it or something. But anyway, right, here we go. So we flanged it to make sure there's no sleeve. When you sleeve them, they generally start to blow from there. But anyway, we flanged it with our flanges, guys. Center box right there for droning issues inside the rear section. And we added 2 more extra resonators on the back, as you can see, with our custom tips, staggered as per usual. 3-inch system divided in 2.5 inch on either side. It sounds great. Do you know, this guy always, it was him first, right, was trying to take my fame, and now it's him. And now it's him. I hate the sight of him. Anyway, guys, leave us your comments, let us know what you think. So like I said, there's your 8V now, guys. I know we've been doing it for years. That's that video. This video was, obviously, if you're watching it, it's up right now. Any more questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Like, share and subscribe. Keep on watching the video. See you on the next video.